Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about trading platforms in the industry, FXTM, to give you my honest review and real experience using it. This video will help you understand what FXTM is all about, whether you're new to trading or looking for a better platform. So let's get straight into it. FXTM is known for offering a wide variety of trading services, including Forex, commodities, and indices. One of the major advantages of this platform is its easy-to-use interface that even a complete beginner can navigate. The platform offers a broad range of account types that suit different trading needs, from micro accounts for novices to professional accounts for advanced traders. With access to global markets and competitive spreads, FXTM aims to make trading accessible to everyone. But no broker is perfect, right? FXTM comes with its disadvantages too. One of the most talked about issues is the relatively high withdrawal fees in certain regions, which can cut into your profits. Some users also report that the customer support is not always responsive as expected. So make sure to weigh these points before deciding if FXTM fits your trading style. As for the cost of services, FXTM has a transparent fee structure. The spreads can be as low as 0.1 pips depending on the account type you choose. For beginners, the platform's copy trading feature is especially appealing. You can easily copy the trades of successful traders, allowing you to learn while earning without too much risk. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. FXTM also provides educational resources like webinars, tutorials, and market analysis that help you become a better trader. So, even if you're new, you have the tools to succeed right from the start. For those interested in mobile trading, the FXTM app is another strong point. It's available on both iOS and Android, letting you trade on the go without losing access to key features. If you're looking to dive into the world of trading, FXTM gives you the ability to start small and gradually work your way up. From competitive spreads to a variety of account types, it's a platform designed to accommodate traders of all levels. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe and give a like.